after me when I say, oh pretty baby, oh pretty baby, love you baby, love you.
So my name's Bethan Ryland and my company is Dr. Be Creative, and we do silent discos with guided movement in care homes. Today we're doing an intergenerational session where the children from Pontefraith Primary School are also attending.
I go do, push pineapple, shake the tree. I go do, coffee to the left, to the right, jumping down on the knees, come and dance every night to the hula melody.
The idea for the silent disco came about because in COVID, we were looking at ways that we could still do sessions for the community, still get people outside, and the headphones were a really good way to be able to do that outside with no noise pollution, and people could still socially distance. Then I thought, why can't we use these in the care homes? We already do music and movement sessions in care homes, but to bring the headphones in adds another element to it. So we thought we'll give it a try and tried it out in a few different care homes, and it seemed to work really well because the participants are immersed in the music, but also that can add that connection with one another as well.
We're going where the sun shines brightly. We're going where the tree is blue. We see it in the movies. Let's see if it's true.
So everyone gets given their own headset, and you turn that on. There's volume on there if people want to turn it down, and that is linked to a microphone that I wear and a transmitter, and then everyone is able to hear what I'm playing from my phone, basically. So each session has a bespoke playlist. This one at Millbrook today was especially catered for to be an intergenerational playlist, so there was music for both young and old. And when we do sessions outdoors and in different locations, they're all bespoke to the setting of where we are. A lot of our work is seated, and we encourage those that are more mobile to get up if they can, and just to do what they can for their ability, but they're still involved in the session. I think they've gone really well. The residents all seem to really enjoy it. They especially like seeing the children as well, so that's something we want to develop further. And just to get everyone up dancing and smiling and happy, you know, it's really rewarding.
You put the headphones on and all you can hear then is the music. Well, of course, you want to dance and sing. Well, there's people walking around that haven't got them on and wondering what's going on. It is excellent. And the residents really enjoy it. Because with their hearing, they're hard of hearing, they find they can hear better with it and they move with it. Even people that don't interact sometimes, they put the headphones on and they will start to move.
A lot of fun, and you could tell the emotion, all the different emotions in everyone, and you could tell they thoroughly enjoyed it. Obviously they put headphones on each person, and then they can sing loud, they can sing quietly, and I think it brings, as I said, their characters out, and I think it lets them go.
It was lovely. Yeah. I enjoyed every minute of it.
I felt a bit down in the dumps when I came down. I didn't know it was on. I just came down and I thought, this is lovely. I enjoyed it.
Brilliant.
Lovely.
Brilliant. And do you think it's good physically for you as well to be moving
definitely,
around?
yeah. Gives you a lift.
Keep your body alert, it do.
Yeah.
You know, and it's good. Not just your heads, but you got to, but your body, yes.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
I don't usually enjoy it.
You don't usually? Why is that?
Because I don't like coming downstairs.
Right, so you came down especially today to join in?
Yeah.
But you're glad you did?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Did you get up and dance at all or not? Are you not able to at the moment?
No, I can't get up and dance.
Yeah. But you can sit in your chair and take part. And,
I do that, yeah.
yeah.
You know, every time I join a little quadrant like this, and we sing, I always feel better after it. You know what I mean?
Using my arm and everything then. So I got to try and do my arm straight all the time. And then that one, and it makes me do it, you know.
Just good exercise.
Yes.
Do you feel it uplifts people's moods?
Oh, very much so. Very much so. Did you notice today everybody smiling? And we had one gentleman down that don't interact at all, but he was there thoroughly enjoying, smile on his face, moving his hands. He wouldn't put the headphones on because he didn't want to disturb his hair, but he interacted well with it.
Because the sessions are bespoke and individual to each care home, I feel like they're really person-centred. There's lots of wellbeing benefits. I think they feel a sense of belonging, a sense of community, all coming together in a shared experience. And you can see that from the smiles on people's faces, and they want us to come back again and again, which is really good.
Thank you for the music, for giving